Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will explain how to delete a row from a table in MySql Workbench. First, open MySql Workbench and connect to your database. Now type the following command to select the database. Use school. Next, display all records from the student table by using select asterisk from student. This command will show all the rows available in the table. Now, to delete a specific row, use the delete statement. Delete from student where student ID equals 1005. This command deletes the row where the student ID is 1005. After deleting the row, you can check the updated table again by running select asterisk from student. Now you can see that the selected row has been removed from the table successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more MySql.